That's pretty good. I got lost here the first day. I don't know how to get back. I have no idea. I just know the bathroom is there. Maybe it's there on that. Oh my god. I got lost. First day, May 27th. It must be like midnight. Oh, the bathroom is there. Look. The bathroom is there. So, what do I have to do? I really don't remember. It must be that right over there. How can I get there? Oops, it's not from here. I'm afraid of here. I know it's safe, but yeah, it must be by this way. The only way we have here. Oh my god. Help me, please. Get there. I really have no idea. I don't have this. I'm gonna ask somebody here.